Trick 3: How to use your eyes to make someone fall in love with you. Now we haul in the heavy eyeball artillery, very sticky eyes or super glue eyes. Let's call them exposy eyes. Big bosses use exposy eyes to evaluate employees. Police investigators use epoxy eyes to intimidate suspected criminals, and clever Romeos use epoxy eyes to make a woman fall in love with them. If romance is your goal, epoxy eyes is a proven aphrodisiac. The epoxy eyes techniques takes at least three people to pull off you, your target, and one other person. Here's how it works. Usually, when you are chatting with two or more people, you gaze at the person who is speaking. However, the expose eye technique suggests you concentrate on the listener, your target, rather than the speaker. This slightly disorients the target and he or she slightly asks, why is this person looking at me instead of the speaker? Your target senses you are extremely interested in his or her reactions. This can be beneficial in certain business situations when it is appropriate that you judge the listener. Human resources professionals often use epoxy eyes not as a technique but because they are sincerely interested in a prospective employee's reaction to certain ideas being presented. Attorneys, bosses, police investigators, psychologists, and others who must examine subjects. Reaction also use epoxy eyes for analytical purposes. When you use epoxy eyes, it sends out signal of interest blended with complete confidence in yourself. But because epoxy eyes puts you in a position of evaluating or judging someone else, you must be careful. Don't overdo it or you could come across as arrogant and brazen. Techniques: epoxy eyes. This brazen technique packs a powerful punch. Watch your target person even when someone else is talking, no matter who is speaking. Keep looking at the man or woman you want to impact. Sometimes using full epoxy eyes is too potent, so here is a gentler yet effective form. Watch the speaker but let your glance bounce to your target each time the speaker finishes a point. This way, Mr. or Mrs. Target still feels you are intrigued by his or her reaction, yet there is relief from the intensity. Use epoxy eyes to push their erotic button. If romance is on the horizon, epoxy eyes transmits yet another message. It says, I can't take my eyes off you, or I only have eyes for you. Anthropologists have dubbed eyes the initial organ of romance. Because studies show intense eye contact plays havoc with our heartbeat, it also releases a drug like substance into our nervous system called phenylethylamine. Since this is the hormone detected in the human body during erotic excitement, intense eye contact can be turned on. Men. Epoxy eyes is extremely effective on women. If they find you attractive, the lady interprets her nervous reaction to your untoward gaze as budding infatuation. If she does not like you, however, your epoxy eyes is downright obnoxious. Never use epoxy eyes on stranger in public setting or you could get arrested.